In this short tutorial, we are going to look at how to add cinematic black bars to our video. The first thing we'll want to do is to go down to the New Item menu and add an adjustment layer. We can click OK to accept those default settings. I'm going to drag the adjustment layer to a video track so it sits above the video, and I'm just going to drag the out point so it covers all of the video. Next thing, I'm going to go into the Effects tab, and in the search field here I'm going to type in crop, and I'm going to drag the crop to the adjustment layer, and inside the effects control for the adjustment layer we can see that the crop has been applied, and here I just need to add a percentage of the crop top and crop bottom. As we applied the crop to the adjustment layer, we have the flexibility now to reposition the video on the y-axis should we want to. And that concludes this short tutorial on how to add cinematic black bars to your video inside Premiere Pro.